Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you are doing well. Thanks so much for stopping by. I wanted to show you how I make this lemon sugar scrub. This scrub is going to help even out your skin tone and really help moisturize when you use this and really help get those dead skin cells. So I'm going to show you how I make this. Let's jump right in. I started out with some freshly washed lemons. You really want to scrub your lemons very well. I used 5 of these lemons and I'm going to be making a lemon infused oil. I'm going to start off by grating the lemon. I want to get the zest for the lemon so I can infuse this in the oil. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, you are welcome. My name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos, and I have a bunch of other DIY videos that you would also enjoy watching. Now that I have the lemon zest, I'm going to spread this on a board, a flat surface, and I'm just going to let it dry before I infuse. You can also put this in your oven or your air fryer as well, but I just spread it out on a flat surface. It did not take long to dry, and then I infused next. Now that my lemon peel is completely dry, I'm going to transfer this to my jar, then add my oil. I like to do this because once there's no moisture, you have less chance of bacteria or mold or fungus growing in your final oil. So that's why I like to dry my vegetables, my fruits, herbs. So once it's dry, you can add whatever oil you like to use. I'm using grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is very lightweight and super moisturizing. So I infused the lemon in the oil for several hours. I did this on my stove top. I used the lowest setting on my stove top. You don't want to boil this. You want it on very low heat so it can completely infuse. I took it off the stove top after about 5 hours and I just let it sit overnight. The next day, all I did was take out the amount that I needed for my body scrub, and I left the rest of the oil to continue infusing for the next 2 to 3 weeks. I started off by melting my emulsifying wax. I also used some mango butter as well, but I'm going to start off by melting the wax. The wax helps to prevent separation and to keep everything blended nicely. So I'm adding the mango butter into the hot wax. This is going to help break it down and melt it some more. Everything I used will be listed in the description box. You can also use raw honey instead of the honey powder. For the turmeric powder, I would say get a good quality turmeric powder, and you don't have to use as much if you're worried about staining on your skin. If you do not have the yogurt powder, that's perfectly fine. You can always make adjustments and changes that work best for you, and you don't have to use everything that I used in this recipe, but you definitely want to use the lemon. So this is what everything is looking like. I'm going to start adding the rest of my oils. I started out with the carrot infused oil. I will leave the link for this video showing you how I made this oil. Next is the lemon infused oil. This combined with the turmeric will really help to even out your skin tone. Another option for sea buckthorn oil would be rose hip oil. They both have amazing benefits, or you can leave this out, but I like using the sea buckthorn oil. I added my vitamin E oil next. Vitamin E oil is very nourishing for your skin. Now I'm going to start adding the sugar. I used organic cane sugar. You can make changes to this recipe. I did use more oils in this sugar scrub, but you can use much less and then you can use more sugar. So just play around with it and see what works for you, but I'll have all the measurements that I used and the ratios that I used. With this sugar scrub, I use it on my face and body. I am just very careful when I'm using it on my face. I use it on my face once a week, and then on my body I use up to 3 times a week. But just do a test patch and see how you like the scrub on your body, and just make sure you don't have any reaction. I added my essential oils next. That is completely optional. I used 15 drops of lavender essential oil as well as neroli essential oil. For this scrub, I did not use any preservatives. This is what the consistency is looking like, but you are welcome to use preservatives. I'm going to put the scrub in my jars. When I make a scrub without preservatives, the way I use it is I just take the amount that I need. When I want to take a shower, I just take the amount I need from one of these jars and I put it in a bowl, and that's what I take in the shower. So that way I do not introduce any water into the scrub. So you would just use this scrub like any other scrub. You would apply on wet skin and apply in circular motions. The beauty of this scrub is it really does exfoliate your skin. With the lemon and with the turmeric added, it really helps with evening out your skin tone. So I really hope you try this recipe out and let me know what you think. If you have any questions, please reach out to me in the comments. As always, I love to hear from you guys. And don't forget to subscribe, please, if you haven't yet subscribed, and also turn on your notifications so that way you don't miss any new videos that I upload. And also please follow me on social media. I'm on Facebook, on Instagram. And until the next video, be well and take care. Bye bye.